In this video, I'll guide you through how to send an ACH payment from Capital One. Whether you're using the Capital One mobile app or online banking, the process is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to sign into your account. You can do this via the Capital One mobile app or through their online banking platform. Make sure you have your login details handy and ensure you're on a secure network to protect your personal information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account you'd like to send money from. This will be the source of your ACH payment. Look for an option labeled Transfer or Transfer Money. It should be prominently displayed, making it easy to access. Now, you'll need to select your From account, which is the account you are transferring money out of, and your To account, which is where the money will be sent. If you're planning to send money to another bank, double check that your external account is already linked. This step is crucial because linking accounts can sometimes take additional verification steps, and you want to ensure everything is set up correctly before proceeding. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure to double check this amount to avoid any errors. You'll also have the option to choose a specific date for the transfer, which can be helpful for managing your finances effectively. If this is a payment you'll be making regularly, consider setting the frequency for recurring transfers. Additionally, you have the option to add a memo. This can be useful for keeping track of what each payment is for, especially if you have multiple transactions. If you're using the mobile app, you'll need to swipe or tap to confirm the transfer. For those using the website, you'll first click Review to ensure all details are correct. This review step is essential for catching any potential mistakes. Once you've confirmed that everything is accurate, go ahead and confirm the transfer details. Finally, submit the transfer to complete your ACH payment. You should receive a confirmation that your transaction has been successfully processed. Keep an eye out for any notifications or emails from Capital One confirming your transaction. And that's it. That's how to send an ACH payment from Capital One. With these simple steps, you can manage your transfers smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more of our guides for additional tips on managing your finances.